Hello, today we will have a look on the actual correct way to connect components. In this case, we will need a component to connect to our fuse, for example, and we will use a motor symbol. If we hover underneath the fuse, we can see green dotted lines. If we can see them, we know, okay, the connection will be established once we place it like this. So we place our motor and click OK. And now we have proper electrical connections that will turn up in any kind of documentation or manager. And sometimes a component has red dots on the connection points. In this case, we can place our motor underneath, but we cannot see any kind of green dotted lines. The red dots appear once some connection gets actually deleted. Now we can redo that, or we can re-establish the connection with a right click, functions, and then connect, or we can also press Ctrl F11. So in this case, we never need to draw actual connection lines in between components. We always can use the green dotted lines, even on top of the fuses. For example, we can place a T-junction, and we can also place in an arrow on top. We'll call this one L2 as an example. We don't need to put in any connection by hand. We will just put down T-junctions, angles, and arrows. And as an example, we can also put an angle over here. The only actual real connection that we are drawing is in between terminals, and that's done with the terminal jumper line up here. And that can be done very easily by hand. And afterwards, we need to do a right click.